You must have heard about the friendship stories, but this is a unique friendship between heart and liver. Actually, there was a valve in heart and that was closed, and to find a way to that valve, a liver way has been chosen by the doctors of GB Pant Hospital in Delhi. We have the team of doctors who have actually done the surgery. We have with us Dr. Professor Vijay Trehan. Doctor sir, many congratulations for this.
Thank you.
And how this surgery is unique in itself.
Actually, this is unique in a way that I have experience of doing such cases. We have done thousands of such cases. Did some 62 cases on one day, one table, which is again a world record published. Also done more than 70 cases without cath lab. Despite having so much of experience, once I saw this patient and I realized that the way or the access through which we reach the heart is closed. It's not available in this case. So unless you reach the heart, that part of the heart from where we have to open this valve, you can't do anything. So since the way was not available, so we tried and looked at the whole anatomy of the patient, and ultimately we found that we can possibly go through the liver into the right heart and then subsequently do the procedure, which we did in this case.
And we have Professor Sarab with us as well. Professor, why this was a difficult case and why you thought that a way can be find out through the liver and not any other organ of the patient?
Okay, there are very limited ways to reach the right side of the heart. One is from a vein from the upper part of the body, and one is a vein through the liver. As you understand, the other vein was blocked. So we had two ways. First, we planned to do it through the upper part of the vein, but unfortunately, though we reached the right side of the heart, we could not get into the left side of the heart technically, which we had to reach. So next we tried the most difficult and the unique procedure which was done for the first time, going through the liver. So through the liver, we first went into the right side of the heart, and once we reached the right side of the heart, then going into the left side of the heart was also very challenging in this case. So the procedure, one part was to go through the liver into the right side of the heart, and then from the right side of the heart into the left side of the heart was another technical challenge, but which we obviously Dr. Trehan could overcome using his large expertise and using different modalities which are available in our hospital. Thanks to the Delhi government, we have all the facilities like an echocardiography, the ancillaries which we need to do the procedure. So all these added up and we could successfully do the case.
And that is the most challenging part, that you have to enter the heart, and that also not through the way which is supposed to and considered as the safest way. But still, this surgery took place with a vein which was routed through liver. Now we have Dr. Safal who can explain. Can you explain through the diagram that how this surgery actually happened?
One slide. So normally what we would want is, we would want this vein which you see in blue to be there, through which we can directly go to the right side of the heart. Unfortunately, it was just not there from birth in this patient. So after exploring all options, you see this vein. This is a vein of the liver. You can see this vein here. We entered this vein. You see this needle puncturing the hepatic vein, and through this a wire was passed from the vein to the right side of the heart. Now after entering the right side of the heart, we had to go to the left side, that is puncture the septum. That was done under echo guidance, and obviously the experience of the operator.
Can we go through a simplistic animation through which we can show that how it actually happened?
Yeah, to put it very simply, we have this simple animation which is just showing you in simple terms, this is the heart, this is the liver, and this is the route that we took. Through the liver, to the right side, across the septum, to the left side of the heart, across that valve, and now you can see that valve being opened up. That balloon has opened and opened that valve.
And that is really unique, not just in India, but even in any part of world. This has happened for the first time when a patient's artery was blocked. The way has to be found through the liver, then the right side of the heart, and then the left side of the heart. So this challenging operation has been done, and now the patient is also recovering very fast, and she is doing well as of now. With camera person Premchand Mishra, it's Kumar Kunal for for India today from Delhi.